Welcome back to Saturday Sports Special. Let's bowl off with cricket. The West Indies and England will head to Barbados for the second test, all squared, after the first test match in Antigua ended in a drawn result on Saturday's fifth and final day. Jerome Foster has our summary.
England showed their aggressive intent from early, despite losing Zach Crawley for 121 at 225 for 2 after resuming at 217 for 1. From there on, Dan Lawrence upped the scoring rate with captain Joe Root, who brought up his 24th test century as the visitors hunted a declaration. Alzarri Joseph reaped the rewards of the attacking stroke play from the tourist with 3 for 78, including the wicket of Root for 109. The declaration came at 349 for 6, setting the West Indies an improbable 286 runs from 71 overs. Captain Craig Brathwaite and John Campbell batted 25 overs until Brathwaite was trapped by Ben Stokes for 33. Campbell followed 9 balls later, taking on Jack Leach for 22. Shamar Brooks struggled throughout his 26-ball stay for 5 as the Windies' batting nerves begun, slumping from 59 without loss to 65 for 3. Jermaine Blackwood did not ease the fears of a massive collapse when he had a brain fade 3 balls into his innings.
That's a terrible shot.
There were still 34.3 overs to bat, and the reliable Nkrumah Bonner, along with former captain Jason Holder, saw the Windies through with minimal fuss, despite a few close shaves at 147 for 4. Bonner ended on 38 from 138 balls for a grand total of 483 balls faced in the test match. He was adjudged man of the match when Joe Root accepted a drawn result with 5 balls to go.
Well, I like to bat at this venue. I think it's a very good wicket. Obviously, we wanted to win, but we're happy with the draw. When I was young, I always wanted to play test cricket. So obviously, over years, I've developed that discipline to bat long.
I'm really proud of the team today. I think, throughout the week actually, from that first hour, we found ourselves in a tricky spot. I think the character we showed, the skill level, the calm nature about it, especially off the back of the previous tour, to not panic and to get ourselves back in the game. A brilliant innings from Johnny, ably assisted by a couple of guys down the order. But throughout the game, I think we got better and better. On a very docile wicket for our seamers to apply themselves as they did. I thought Leachy was brilliant as well.
I think first innings we were good with the new ball. I think in the middle when the ball wasn't doing much, we could find ways to be a little tighter. I think at Piers we were a little too high, 3.5 runs and over. So I think once we could bring that down throughout the innings, that may build a little more pressure and be able to get, those 5-6 wickets, a little easier in the middle.
The result means the West Indies have never lost a test to England in Antigua. The second test starts on Wednesday. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.